everybody, it's me, Ali, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making some taquitos de pollo, also known as chicken tacos or flautas. Whatever you call them, they're delicious either way. We are going to need nor Suiza, the chicken flavor. We're going to need a piece of onion. We are going to need a piece of chicken breast and some corn tortillas. We are going to be taking this over to the stove because we need this to boil. The water's already on medium heat, so we need to drop this chicken breast in here. I have half a pot of water ready to go. Oops. There you go. We're going to add our onion. I forgot to tell you guys, our chicken is skinless chicken. And we are also going to add a tablespoon of our nor Suiza. So our chicken is ready. This has boiled for 45 minutes. So after draining it and shredding the chicken, this is what your chicken should look like. Nice and shredded here. And we are going to do the tortillas. I'm going to tell you guys a family secret about the tortillas that my mom taught me. To make it easier to roll the taquito, we are going to put our tortillas in the microwave for 30 seconds on each side. Okay, so I took them out of the microwave and I did 30 seconds on each side of the stack. So this is what they're very soft. I'm going to show you guys how to roll the taquito, but before we start working on the tortillas, I'm gonna get my oil ready because once these are ready to nice and rolled, I'm gonna need this to be hot. We're gonna get some oil. Make sure the whole bottom of your pan is covered because we're gonna need enough oil for the taquitos to be covered halfway. And this is just to get ahead of yourself so you're not having to deal with cold oil when the taquitos are ready to go. So while that's heating up, I'm going to start working on my taquitos. Make sure that when you are rolling your taquitos, you guys are folding them nice and tight. Don't overstuff them or else when they're in the oil, they're going to come apart. Another trick that they taught me was that I could use a toothpick to keep the taquitos from falling apart. And that was pretty cool because you don't have to worry about the whole chicken coming out of it. Of course, the toothpick has to come out when you're about to eat it, but I'm going to show you guys how to do this part. It's like almost like sewing the tortilla together. See, just like this. Okay, so this is how you roll a chicken taquito. Don't overstuff it, just enough for you to get nice bite. Roll it nice and tight so it won't fall apart when you're frying it. And then, see? We're gonna take these over to the frying pan and I think they're ready to go. I'm going to test my oil first. I'm going to drop a tiny little piece of chicken just to see if it's hot enough to do the rest. Oh, okay, that's ready. We're going to place all the taquitos in here. Be careful with your fingers because the oil is really hot. You can put them all at once, right next to each other, like this. These have the toothpick to help out with not falling apart. And even though sometimes they still do fall apart, it's just, like I said, it's just to help you. But these taquitos that I made at the last, these don't have any toothpicks, but I'm gonna show you guys either way how you guys can place them down. Always place this bottom part first so it cooks faster and it won't fall apart. That's the trick to keeping it together. Set them on this side too. So use the whole frying pan. If it feels like it got loosened up when you were in the process of making it, you could always take it apart again and roll it back up. You just have to do it faster because the tortillas have already cooled down. Set it here. It's very important that your oil is really, really hot. This is going to help the taquitos cook faster, and it gives it a less of a chance of the whole thing just falling out, the whole chicken. Okay. I'm going to check on my taquitos. They have been cooking for 5 minutes, and these are going to be light up on each side. So we need to make sure that we are turning them over so they don't get burnt. We want them to look golden brown. And like you can tell, some of them did open up even though I did use a toothpick. But if you turn them over carefully, they will cook through. This one too. Turn it over. And you have to be a little fast because they will cook very, very fast. The oil is really hot, that's why. And once you have them turned over, another 5 minutes. It's a little challenging to turn all these tacos, but okay. I'm gonna get my taquitos out of the frying pan because these look like they are ready to go. Always have something that you could put them on. I put a paper towel to catch the excess oil. Like you could tell, we have tons of it, but just take them out carefully. Oops. Remember to remove the toothpick if you guys are going to use one. Turn off your stove. So our taquitos are ready to eat, and I put some queso fresco, shredded lettuce, and some crema mexicana. The other day I made a video of my salsa verde. I'm using the same salsa. For anybody that didn't catch that video and is interested in learning how to make it, watch it. It's very good salsa, and it goes, like I said, it goes with everything. So here are my taquitos. That's the finished look. And I'm gonna add some salsa. A little more. Okay. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know if you guys try these taquitos at home. They are very, very good. Provecho. Enjoy.